Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a community service letter. This letter is a formal document issued by an organization to confirm that an individual has completed a specific number of community service hours. You are writing a formal community service confirmation letter on your organization's letterhead. Include your non-profit or community center's name, address, contact details, and the current date. Begin the letter with the professional salutation, to whom it may concern, to address an unspecified recipient. After that, write, "This letter serves to confirm that volunteer's full name has completed community service with our organization name between start date and end date. During this time, they contributed a total of number of hours assisting with various tasks such as event coordination, donation, sorting, and administrative support. Volunteer's name consistently demonstrated responsibility, punctuality, and a genuine commitment to serving the community. We truly appreciate the effort and enthusiasm they brought to our team. Volunteer's name made a positive impact through their contributions and upheld the values of our organization throughout their service. Please feel free to contact should you need any further information regarding their community service. Sincerely, name of supervisor or director." Here's our sample community service letter. You'll notice how it clearly confirms the number of service hours completed and describes the type of work performed. The letter ensures clear communication with the requesting party and serves as an official record of the individual's contribution to the community. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and effective official letters.